Good morning, children, and welcome to your English 1 grammar class. In my previous class, we have learned about the joint letters, 14 joint letters, and hope you have done your homework. Today we will see the exercise. You can take out your book, page number 19. In this page, you can see the picture, and according to the picture, name is given. And the words are in joint letters. You can see here. Number 1, B are joint letter, and the picture is given broom. BROOM, broom. Number 2, CHILD, child, CH joint letters. Number 3, GL joint letters. Number 4, SP joint letters. Number 5, PL joint letters. Number 6, SH. Number 7, ST. 9, TH. 10, GR. 11, FR. 12, FL. 13, TR. 14, CH joint letters. So in this way, for each joint letters, one word is given here, and now you have to write one more joint letters in the blanks. You can take the help of help box. You can see here down part help box is there, and you can take the help from there. For example, I will say BROOM, broom. One is given, and you find out BR joint letters from the box where it is BRUSH. Brush is there. So you can write here for BR joint letters. You can write here brush. In the same way, CHILD, child. For child CH joint letters, you can find out the word from the help box. That is, here already child it is written, but you can add another word, or you can write the same word also. Okay, now we will see the next page. You turn the page 20. In this page, you can see here joint letters, that is double letters. The letters are written double, so that is called joint letters in double letters. So you can see here moon, 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 BALL, ball, FEET, fit, GLASS, glass. So here you can see moon. Who is the double letters here? OO. Ball. LL is the double letters. EE, fit. FEET, fit. EE is the double letters, and glass, GLASS, glass. Here SS is the double letters. So sometimes what happen? Double letters are used for joint letters. So for exercise, you can see here the picture is given here, and you can write the name of such pictures, and you can take the help of help box. Down one is given here. In the down part you can see the help box is there, and you can fill up the blanks. For example, you can see, and picture also help you. You see, number 1 is stool. You see the spelling of stool from the help box. STOOL. Stool will be written there and you have to write under the stool where there is blanks. So in this way you can fill up your book of page 20. Now you see the next exercise. Open your book, page number 21. See, in page number 21 you can see here the exercise use double letters. You can see your book page 21. OO double letters, LL double letters and EE double letters. You have to fill up with these double letters in your exercise. One is given for you, number 1, MOON, moon. Then this row will fill with OO double letters. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 number you can add double O joint letters. Next, number 10 you see CALL, all. Number 11 ROLL, roll. So in this row means number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In this row you can add double L joint letters. Double L mane LL joint letters you can add here in this row. 10 to 18 numbers. Next you go number 19, D dash dash R means DEER, deer. So in this row from number 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 you can add double E joint letters. Double letters, EE letters you can joint here from number 19 to 27. So in this way you can fill up in your book. Try to write, and I request the parents, please help your child. So for today it is enough. Next class we will see your lesson 6. Thank you, children.